You don't fail at habits because you're lazy. You fail because your life is messy, unpredictable, stressful, out of control. And nobody really teaches you how to stay consistent when everything around you isn't. So instead, you blame yourself. But what if the problem isn't you? What if the way you're trying to build habits is just wrong? Maybe your days don't look the same. Maybe sometimes you wake up motivated, and the next day, everything falls apart. No routine, no energy, no structure. And you keep telling yourself, tomorrow I'll do better. But tomorrow comes, and it's the same cycle. If that's you, this video is for you. Let me tell you something most people won't say. Perfect routines don't work in chaotic lives. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. You need something you can still do, even on your worst days. Because the truth is, a habit that survives chaos is stronger than a habit that only works when life is calm. When life is unstable, your habits need to be tiny, not impressive, not intense, just doable. Instead of, I'll work out for 1 hour, say, I'll do 5 push-ups. Instead of, I'll study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for 10 minutes. Because on chaotic days, small wins keep you alive, and small wins build trust with yourself. Stop trying to create a perfect schedule. Attach habits to things that already happen. After you brush your teeth, do 5 push-ups. After you eat, review 1 page. Before you sleep, reflect for 2 minutes. Your life is already chaotic, so instead of fighting it, use it. Here's where most people break. They miss 1 day, then they feel guilty, then they stop completely. Listen carefully. Missing once is normal. Quitting is the real problem. You don't need discipline every day. You need the ability to come back. Even if you fall 10 times, if you come back 11 times, you're still winning. Stop saying, I'm trying to be consistent. Start saying, I'm someone who doesn't give up. Even if your life is messy, even if your progress is slow, you are still becoming someone stronger. And that matters more than any perfect routine. Your life doesn't need to be perfect for you to improve. You don't need control over everything. You just need one small action, done again and again, even in chaos. Because in the end, it's not about having a perfect life. It's about becoming someone who keeps going, no matter what. If this video spoke to you, don't just watch it and move on. Pick one small habit, start today. And if you're serious about changing your life, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.